The squeeze at the top different, ain't it? Yeah. So this is gonna help you also with hip mobility. That's why leg raises are important too. It's your boy Coach K, we back with another one. You know how we get down. We're gonna start off with some abs real quick, nothing too crazy, and then we're gonna get busy with the legs. For a lot of y'all that's keep faking on these, get explosive with your leg raises. Ooh, shit tough. I ain't even got the momentum, bro. There we go. Keep telling y'all, you can go ahead and you can get explosive with your core workouts. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Trust me, it's gonna hit core. You're talking to somebody that already got the six pack. And then another thing, remember, we need to make sure the body fat percentage is low enough in order to see the six pack. It's not always about training the abs, but we're gonna do 3 sets of 10 of these, and we're gonna move on to the next one. Let's get it. Explosive. So tuck the hips back and raise the legs. Tuck the hips back. Don't do what Ruben just did. Do what I'm about to do. You know what I'm saying? What you're gonna do is, hips come back. Get explosive. Speed, throw the legs up. So you know how people like to tell you, don't kick your feet back? Kick your feet back, but still keep the tension in the core. But use that to kind of wind up to explode at the top. Try it out. Kick your legs up as fast as you can. That's all you gotta do. Kick them up as fast as you can. There we go, boom. Wind up. You got it, come on, wind up, right there. There we go, just like that. There we go. That's the money. See the difference? See where I said tuck the hips back? There you go, good work. 10. The squeeze at the top different, ain't it? Yeah. So this is gonna help you also with hip mobility. That's why leg raises are important too. It's not just about working the abs at the end of the day. But remember, there's certain ways to kind of do it. You can do here, raising the legs, but we explosive. We getting explosive. Try both of them out. Let's get it.